folks, Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check this out. Yeah, you got it. Black is the new black. And this is black. Check it out. It is a new model as well. So this is what we're going to call the MySTi. You can see that. It's upside down. Here we go. Never mind the amp pop. That goes away. Anyway, so there it is. And how about a sound demo? Hey? Okay, so bear with me. It's been a while since I've played. The place is a mess. What can I say? Got a lot of things happening. This is number 150. We're actually going to have that one done soon. And of course the photo essay and demo and all that jazz. Plus I've got some project stuff that I'm working on. I've got this Ibanez I'm redoing a neck for. Actually, guys, extending the scale length because just not long enough. So we're going to make it a little longer. That's going to be cool. It's multi-scale. So we're not just making it longer, but it's the neck, but of course the scale length twice. So yeah, that's going to be fun. But anyway, let's give you a sound demo on this, and bear with me. I mean, it is warm and I am a sweaty old Highlander, and this thing is beautiful and black, and I can't stop wanting to wipe it clean and make it shiny again. So it is going to sound what you probably think it already is going to sound like, but we'll give you a sound demo anyway to prove that it sounds like it. Am I right? Am I right? All the gory details are over here in the description. Make sure you check that out, that little description. Oh, while you're there, hit the like and subscribe button. Almost got enough subscribers. Let's get some more subscribers to this channel, please. So that right there is that's what you want. My favorite pickup configuration. It took me a while to make this video because I couldn't find my pick. As long as I've been playing and as many picks as I have around, and it's like I couldn't find the one that I wanted. Growing up, we used to use the little things on the bread loaves, the little plastic things that you take off a bread loaf. And what are some of the weirdest things you've ever used as a guitar pick? Please leave a comment below. Now it's this blend. And all neck. There it is. I mean, this is a special guitar made for a special friend of mine. So, D-Rock Kelly product. Got your guitar ready for you, my man. And what's it sound like with distortion? got a wiggle stick. I changed my mind. That's my favorite pickup. Then I like that one too. What's your favorite pickup position on a 3 single coil guitar like this? Leave a comment below. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.